the AI has got to recognize when it can't help them. I
Mhm.
don't ever, one of the things I want to avoid is my chatbot scenario where the patient is trying to talk to the AI and the AI is just in a circle. I always say, right, the best AI know can recognize when it needs the human. And it's at that point where we're going to find that symbiotic relationship, right? Where the AI can help us move fast. It can help get the people that want to move in this direction quickly. It can help us route things, but it should never try to replace the people because they're like care is personal and you do need to talk to somebody before you buy it. You do need to make that connection a lot of times.
Yeah, and I think the most interesting part about your story is when we talk about, AI agents, when we talk about all these implementations, deployments, people are usually looking at this from the lens of, oh, I'm going to replace headcount, right? In your case, it's not, hey, I want to replace headcount. It's more, you're flipping the narrative more in the sense of, I want my current agents to do more with less, right? So you want to scale without adding headcount, and I think that's kind of the beauty of the whole thing.
Yes, and the head count is, I mean, people see one side of it and it's like, oh, they don't want to hire people. They don't want to do this, or companies, oh, Walmart doesn't want to hire cash register folks. That's why they make you check out themselves. We want to hire people. The human resource is not indefinite, right? It's not unlimited. So we've got to figure it out. I mean, when you think about employees, they have more choices now. Like it's tough. It's tough out there to hire these days and to get the customer service where you need to. And I'll tell you, an AI agent, it'll train when you train it, it remembers it. It doesn't get sick. It operates. So on the other side of this coin is our consumer demand for it's 7 o'clock on a Saturday night. I want my questions answered.
Right.
So where are we? Like, we staffing 24 hours a day for for folks. It's just like America's, right? We want to pay the least amount for something. We want to make the most money per hour. And we want everything made in the USA, but we don't want to pay for it. Like all this situation. So the AI is going to help so much, and as consumers grow with how we use it and how we act, we use it on the daily, whether it's our Alexa or it's um, using our AI tools and our chat GPTs or whatever's on our phone to answer our questions, to how our businesses are using it to help the people like us get through their transactions or to help connect them with care. I think it's one of the most fascinating things out there.